Okay.
Okay. So, so this is the project that I am using as a copy of it. We're starting off from this project. So let's insert the missing item here. Okay, so what we're doing is adding, I think, a couple of chargers in this Penske facility. So the Penske facility, let me bring out the existing site plan. One is marked up for. So we're adding a couple of chargers here. The source of power is your power pole. And I think the service is going to go somewhere around here. Let me take a look at the photo. Get the address. Here's the facility. Here's the power pole. And someplace on this wall, we're going to mount a meter, a new meter. Okay, so there's a power pole. It's got a transformer on top. So we'll bring in a line from there to here. We'll install a meter where the weatherhead. You know what a weatherhead is?
Yes, the service entrance.
Yeah. So we'll have a conduit with a weatherhead on top, and we'll bring the service in. It'll serve, I think, 2 chargers. Let me take a look at the scope of work. Electrical distribution. 2 level 2. Prepare power plans for single line time. Proposed service existing pole system transformer. Okay, so here's the proposed meter. And I believe we're going to take up 2 spots there for the parking. So sorry. Yeah, we'll take these 2 spots.
Mm-hmm.
Not actually, you know what? These 2. I think these are the 2.
Okay.
Customer parking. I think these are the 2 that we're going to take up. And so we'll put are these double heads? Let me check. If it's double head, 200 amp service. If it's double head, I gotta find out if it's double head or not. If double head, then we're gonna need 4 parking spots. Okay. So I don't remember what it is. So if it's double head, then we're gonna take up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it'll be these 4 spots, and then we'll have 1 here and 1 there. Otherwise, I think if it's only one head, one dispenser per charger, then there'll be just these 2. Okay. So anyway, so this is the plan that we're going with. There's a lot of information that needs to be corrected. So for example, this one is incorrect. This is the other project that I copied this from, so this needs to be corrected. Applicable codes, I think they'll probably be fine. Approval project needs to be corrected. Vehicle description needs to be corrected. Location. Okay, those all need to be corrected. This is the correct address. This information is correct. This part needs to be verified. This needs to be added. I just pasted it on here. Of course, this needs to be completed afterwards. And that's the correct location. Yeah, okay, that's the client who's calling. Hi, Brett.
Hi, Auntie. How are you?
I'm doing good. I saw your email regarding Olympic.
Yes, yes. So he's letting us do it again.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
giving us the authorization one more time.
Right. Good.
So I think you're probably sitting already on something that you started at one time.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So quick question, I don't remember now. So we're gonna have 2 level 2s, right?
Well, we're going to use that service that I sent you.
The 200 amp?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And he's so fickle. It's whether 1 or 2, but we're using that service regardless. So I've talked to him once. He said it was 2, then he said it was 1. So I think we use that service because it's 200 amp, and then we design it for 2. And then if we put 1 for future, then we put 1 for future.
Okay. All right. Well, design for 2, and then we can always change one of them to future. So are these double heads or double?
No.
Double dispenser, single
individuals.
dispenser.
These are the Phi Hongs.
Oh, okay. Phi Hongs. Okay. All right. Those are 11 kWs, right?
Yes. Do you have the spec sheet on them?
Yeah, I do. I'll look at those. And remind me again, which parking stalls are we taking? The far two on the right, or?
The two closest to the service bay, yes.
Okay, so there are four, then the handicap. So the far two of those four.
See, let me look at the overhead shot. Yeah, that job just keeps on going, and it's something, you know, we started, then we stopped, and then.
Yeah, I hear you. Okay,
And
let
then,
me take a shot of my thing. Actually, let's just go FaceTime. Oops.
Oh, you FaceTime me? Okay.
Yeah.
Hello,
Hello.
I'm here.
Okay, can you see my screen? So you
Yes.
got these four parking stalls here before the handicap. So, so these
can you
two
zoom out a little bit?
out?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, so take the two closest to the service bay, yes.
okay, we'll take these two here. Oh, is it these two? Okay. Sounds
then,
good.
I sent you a picture of what that looks like.
Yeah. I got your, let's see, where is that at?
You have to excuse my operator who put the details on the drawings on the one on the bottom there.
This part here?
Yeah, so you can see the service over there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but then don't disregard everything on the left-hand side of the drawing.
Oh, these guys. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll put the service there, then we'll put the chargers next to it.
Yep.
Okay.
No barrier posts.
Oh, no barrier post, huh?
Yeah. Wall mounted, and do you have information on the bracket that I use?
I am not sure. It's not part of the Phi Hong's charger.
No, there's a sweet little bracket that LADWP has endorsed that just it's a protective barrier post that clamps flat on the wall.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
I can send that over to
Yeah,
you.
if you can, that'd be great. We'll detail it out.
Okay, I'll send that over, and that way you got the details. Yeah, it just goes right in front of it to keep somebody from hitting it.
Yeah, okay.
All right, and then let's see what else was there. Anaheim, do you mind giving me a conduit trench kind of detail of what it's going to take to? Because now Mike says that they want to go to the back of the building, right?
Right.
So that increases it quite a bit for us.
Right.
So can we have a trench detail showing separation between communications and controls? I'm trying to figure out how to trench plate the darn thing.
So you're gonna trench it as opposed to running it on the building?
Yeah, running it on the building is going to be too imposing for them. It's because we'd have to run it right through their bays.
Right.
Right through the middle of their bay. So this is going to be something where we can dig it. It's just going to have to be staged. Dig it, trench plate it, dig it, trench plate it, dig it, trench plate it.
Yikes. Okay.
But depending on the size of the trench, then I gotta trench plate it from there. So I got to start doing some calculations to see how big the trench plates are and how big the backhoe is that I need to use and move them.
Yeah. Yeah, we can get away with a 12-inch separation. Yeah.
So you're thinking like so we've got 12-inch separation